Now, to answer the question that everyone always asks, and I already know the answer, but I want to hear it from you.
Yeah.
Is it going to overheat?
MrBlack.
So NAB 2026, and guess what? We are at the GoPro booth. They have their new Mission 1 series and ILS GoPros, and we're gonna be looking at the product and talking to some of the workers here and find out a little bit more about this new launch. All right, so we're here with Abe, and basically if you've seen any GoPro video, this guy's done it, and they're awesome, by the way. They're so good.
Thank you.
Very inspirational. And can you tell us a little bit about the new cameras?
We are debuting the Mission 1 Pro, and the Mission 1 Pro ILS today. We're very excited about it because we've got obviously new sensor, 1-inch sensor, GP3 processor, kind of everything is new from the ground up, and we're, especially at GoPro, very excited about that because we know we've been living with the Hero cameras for a long time. So we've got this new set of cameras, and we've just been having so much fun filming it. I think if you see any of the content here around the booth, everything was shot on our cameras, the new Mission 1 line. And for me, just being at GoPro for so long, it's really nice to see us with some new technology, new sensors, good low light, amazing photo quality. And yeah, I mean, we've got new OLED screen on the back that's bigger. Basically everything is new from the ground up.
It's basically everything that people have been asking for a long time.
Yeah. The amount of times I've seen 1-inch sensor, when is a 1-inch sensor coming? And knowing on the horizon, when I know, I'm like, just gotta wait a little bit longer, but it's finally here.
That's available today.
Yes.
Order it today.
You can order it today, and it will be available May 27th.
Cool.
But you can order it starting today.
Awesome. And yeah, we will definitely be testing that out here on this channel. Back to doing GoPro stuff.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, now we're here with David, an Australian dude that lives in America. And you've got the ILS, and look at this rig. Look at this thing.
All right, so this is a Mission Pro ILS on a Fujinon HD power zoom 6:100 with a 2x extender, so up to 200mm, with a preview of an app that we're going to have that allows you to do focus assist, and so I can do my crash zooms on this. It's sort of showing the flexibility of the system, because here I actually have a broadcast B4 lens adapter to micro four thirds. You've got the PL adapters on it, you can put Canon EF adapters and so on. So whatever it's a very good system to adapt to, so you can use kind of any lens you'd like. Then I thought, let's see what is the most wackiest zoom I could possibly put on this. And yeah, so it allows me to get the creativity of what this is kind of a throwback, you know. I can show you, because the camera is just that big. It's tiny.
Oh yeah.
And then I just go, snap, clip, it's on.
And then do you have the phone? You're using the phone as the monitor.
This is actually just a 1080 stream from the camera. Even if the camera's in 4K or 8K, we're getting a 1080 preview. You can zoom in to adjust your focus. It's got focus peaking and other sort of a focus assist type stuff.
To answer the question that everyone always asks, and I already know the answer, but I want to hear it from you.
Yeah.
Is it going to overheat?
Not in any practical scenario. So, you know, a perfect example is that you can try to overheat it. You can put it on your desk and you can run it in 4K 240, and you can do that for about 40 minutes before it will.
Oh, really?
Yes. The only other mode that it will overheat at around 40 minutes is 8K 60. So again, with no airflow, with a little bit of airflow, it will, and only like we do our testing at 77 degrees, not in like real air-conditioned environments, so it's slightly warm, and it will run until battery life if you give it any airflow. So even at 8K 60.
You heard it there. You heard it here first. So that's exciting. If you've been following the channel for a while, I mean, man, we've done a lot of GoPro videos, and you've not seen that very many GoPro videos because they haven't really came out with anything interesting and exciting for you guys. But now it looks like there is. So yes, not sponsored, by the way. We're just excited. Yeah.
I think so.
Xander, you excited?
Very excited, yes. Extremely big releases. Pretty crazy actually, considering they've just not released a cover for a long time. Anything that's different, but this is totally different.
Yeah, so different.
It looks exciting, must I admit.
But anyway, that's it for today's video at NAB. Actually, some more content coming out, including just some cool things that we're seeing around here. So make sure you subscribe and like, and you'll get notified next time this happens. So, yeah.